In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Cash App on Temu. If you want to use your Cash App card while shopping on Temu, this tutorial will guide you through the process from start to finish. Paying with Cash App on Temu is actually very simple because the platform accepts debit and prepaid card payments, including the Cash App Visa card. As long as your Cash App card is activated and has enough balance available, you can use it during checkout just like a regular bank card. To begin, open the Temu app or visit the Temu website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the platform, start browsing through the products available and choose the item you would like to purchase. After finding the product you want, tap on the Buy Now button to continue with your order. Depending on the type of item you are buying, you may also need to select options such as the size, color, or style before continuing. Once you've chosen the correct product variation, tap Buy Now again to move forward to the checkout section. Next, you'll be asked to enter your shipping information. Carefully type in your first name, last name, and other required delivery details so your order can be shipped correctly. Take a moment to double-check the information before continuing to avoid delays or issues with delivery. After completing the shipping section, continue to the payment page. This is the part where you'll use your Cash App card to pay for the order. In the card payment fields, enter the card number from your Cash App card exactly as shown in the Cash app or on your physical card. Then, type in the expiration date and the CVV security code in the appropriate sections. Make sure all the card details are entered correctly before proceeding. It's also a good idea to confirm that your Cash App balance is sufficient to cover the full cost of the purchase, including shipping fees and taxes if applicable. Once everything looks correct, tap on the Submit Order or Place Order button to complete your payment. After the transaction is processed successfully, Temu will confirm your order, and you should receive an order confirmation directly in your account or email. And that's how you can pay with Cash App on Temu using your Cash App card during checkout. The process is quick, convenient, and works similarly to paying with any standard debit card online. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.